this rite of passage, cruel twist of fate, with every turn of every card I never see, until it's too late. The deed is done and leaves me wondering just where our love has gone. I cannot say in honest truth that I still trust all my feelings for you. You knew that it was wrong, and you think that saying sorry is gonna make it seem alright. And maybe in this song you will hear me for the first time, and you'll start to see the light living with you.